6 cups beef broth. Boiling beef broth, you add minced onion. Teaspoon of parsley. 1.5 teaspoon minced garlic. Some salt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper for taste. Add your desired amount of bacon pieces. You let all those good ingredients cook for 2 minutes, simmering. Then you add the beef. This is what makes it a burger. And you let that cook for 2 minutes. That was cheesy. And that's it. You got cheese, burger, and soup. Cheeseburger soup.